Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off Find My iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn off your Find My iPhone settings, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your iPhone settings app, and here just tap on your Apple ID, and here just scroll down and look for Find My option here. Just tap on that, then select Find My iPhone here, and you must have to tap on this toggle to turn it off. Now here you must have to enter your Apple ID password and your Find My iPhone will be turned off. If you're facing any issue here, so you just have to go back, and there's some steps you can do. Just scroll down. Very first, you have to go for Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode here. Just scroll down and look for the option of stolen device protection. You must have to keep sure that your stolen device protection is turned off or disabled, or if it's not, you have to try to turn it off first. Once you have turned off, go back, and here the second setting is you have to go for privacy and security, select location services, and you must have to turn it on from here. So once you have turned on location services, it might be that your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue by in turning off your Find My. Or if you're still facing the same issue, you have to simply go back, go for screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to try to disable all the restrictions from here. So once you have disabled all of the restrictions, simply go back and here go for Apple ID again, go to Find My option again here, select Find My iPhone, just tap on turn it off, and here your Apple ID password will be entered. So you have to try to enter your Apple ID password here. So once you have entered your Apple ID password, just tap on this turn off option, and your Find My will be turned off. So in this way, you can easily turn off your Find My iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.